Assalamualaikum, my name is SYAKIRAH binti MAZLAN. My matrix number is 060258. We will be presenting a case study on Polaris Industries Incorporation, which is a multinational company specializing in power sports vehicles. Polaris has established itself as a top brand in the industry through its focus on innovation and offering a diverse range of products. By constantly introducing new technologies and features, Polaris enhances the performance and durability of their vehicles, catering to different customer preferences. The company's product portfolio includes off-road vehicles, motorcycles, electric bicycles, and utility vehicles. Additionally, strategic acquisitions of brands like Indian Motorcycle and GEM Electric Vehicles have expanded Polaris' product range and increased its market appeal. Polaris places great importance on customer satisfaction. With a wide network of dealerships and retailers, they ensure easy access to their products and provide exceptional support. The purpose of this case study is to conduct a comprehensive analysis of Polaris' business strategy. We will evaluate the company's internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats. Using a SWOT analysis. This analysis will provide insights into Polaris' current position, competitive advantage, and the impact of external factors on its operations. Furthermore, we will assess Polaris' strategic choices such as product diversification, geographic expansion, and investment in electric vehicles. By understanding these factors, we aim to identify areas for improvement and strategic focus, while also uncovering potential opportunities for boost and expansion in the dynamic power sports industry. Overall, this study serves as a valuable foundation for strategic decision-making within Polaris Incorporation. It will provide actionable insights to help the company leverage its strengths, address weaknesses, seize opportunities, and mitigate threats.
My name is ATHIRAH binti MAZLAN, and I will continue to present about the background of Polaris company in terms of its industry, market, and competitor. First is industry. Polaris company is a renowned company operating in the power sports industry. The power sports industry encompasses a range of recreational and utility vehicles designed for outdoor adventures, work application, and recreational purpose. Polaris company is primarily focused on the design, manufacturing, and distribution of off-road vehicles, snowmobiles, motorcycles, and electric vehicles. And as a leader in the power sport industry, Polaris company actively support initiatives that promote responsible riding, environmental stewardship, and inclusivity in the outdoor recreation space. Okay, next is market. The market of Polaris company encompasses various segments within the power sports industry. As a leading manufacturer of off-road vehicles, snowmobiles, motorcycles, and electric vehicles, Polaris serves a wide range of customers, including recreational riders, outdoor enthusiasts, work professionals, and adventure seekers. Okay, the first is off-road vehicles market, which includes all-terrain vehicles, ATVs, and side-by-side UTVs. These vehicles cater to individuals and business involved in recreational riding, off-road exploration, work application, and various industries such as agriculture, construction, and public services. And the second is snowmobile market. Snowmobiling is a popular winter recreational activity, particularly in regions with snow-covered landscape. Polaris snowmobiles are designed for performance, durability, or in snowy terrains. The company offers a range of models to cater to various riding styles, preference, and skill levels. And the third is motorcycle market. Polaris industry entered the motorcycle market with the acquisition of the Indian Motorcycle brand. Indian Motorcycle is known for enriched heritage, iconic design, and high-performance bikes. Polaris competes in the premium motorcycle segment, targeting motorcycle riders seeking powerful, stylish, and heritage-inspired motorcycles. Okay, in terms of geographic, Polaris company operates in both domestic and international markets. The company has a strong presence in the United States, where it was founded and has expanded its reach globally. It sells its products through authorized dealerships across North America, Europe, Asia, and other regions, adapting to regional preference and regulation. Polaris company caters to a diverse customer base ranging from individual riders and outdoor to business and professional users. Okay, the last is background in terms of competitor. In the power sports industry, companies like Polaris face competition from various brands striving to offer similar products and capture a share of the market. This healthy competition drives innovation, diversity, and choice for customers. And each brand, including competitors like Honda and Arctic Cat, brings its own unique strengths, features, and customer base to the industry, contributing to a dynamic and competitive landscape. Polaris company, Honda, and Arctic Cat are among the prominent players in the power sports industry, manufacturing vehicles and equipment for off-road, snow, and water-based activities.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ISHAK. My metric number is 059418. I will continue with the problem statement. First, the internal factor. First of all, lack of a clearly expressed vision and mission statement. Polaris lack a vision and mission statement, which can lead to a confusion and a lack of direction for the business and its personnel. Uncertain organizational structure is the second problem. The hybrid divisional by product, by region, organizational structure of Polaris raise concerns concerning responsibilities and decision-making authority. Next, the business hierarchy also has little diversity. There is only one female representative in Polaris corporate hierarchy, which lacks diversity. This may point to possible problems with diversity and gender equality in position of leadership. After that come production difficulties. Although Polaris has undertaken vertical integration for some product lines in an effort to reduce costs and boost quality, there may still be a room for improvement in terms of productivity and process optimization. Then techniques for sales and distribution. In North America, Polaris relies on a network of independent dealers, and in other nations, it uses distributors and subsidiaries. The corporation is switching to wholly owned subsidiaries as part of its strategy. Although this change may present difficulties. Next, external factor. The changing external environment in which Polaris industry operates present both opportunities and risks to the company's expansion and financial success. For Polaris to develop efficient strategies and make wise business decisions, it is essential to comprehend this outside force. First, the state of the economy. Consumer spending and purchase decisions are significantly influenced by the economic climate in Polaris target markets. Consumers discretionary spending on recreational vehicles and power items may decline during economic downturns, which may have an impact on Polaris and profitability. Motorcycle and recreational vehicles may be in higher demand during the time of economic expansion and rising disposable incomes. Consequently, global market expansion. Through affiliates and distributors, Polaris seeks to increase its market share abroad. However, entering new markets comes with its own set of difficulties, such as cultural dissimilarities, complex regulatory issues, and rivalry with regional producers. To successfully enter foreign market and compete with regional and worldwide rivals, Polaris must carefully negotiate these difficulties. Next, competition. Polaris competes against well-known companies like Harley-Davidson, Arctic Cat, and Honda in a very competitive market. These rivals enjoy widespread product offerings, solid consumer base, and well-known brands. By providing this distinctive value proposition, cutting-edge products, and outstanding customer experience, Polaris must set itself apart. Then comes consumer trend and preference. In the power sports sector, consumer trend and preference are always changing. Polaris must continue to pay attention to this change and modify its product lineup as necessary. For instance, the preference of consumer for side-by-side off-road vehicle as opposed to conventional ATV style four-wheelers have changed. Furthermore, the cooperation of digital features, connectivity and electric powered vehicles are just an example of the tremendous technical change for the powersport business is currently witnessing. In order to improve its products offering, increase performance and satisfy shifting consumer expectation, Polaris must embrace and utilize new technologies. That's all from me. Thank you.
Based on the internal and external issue of Polaris company, we have analysed it through a SWOT analysis. So first and foremost, Polaris industry has shown a great success through strategic planning and execution. For example, their 10-year strategic plan has allowed them to achieve unprecedented performance. Additionally, Polaris company vertical integration and production efficiency have given them a competitive edge in the market. However, Polaris company recognize their weakness. First, they lack a clear vision and mission statement, and their organization structure can lead to confusion and inefficiency. So they are working on addressing this issue. Despite this weakness, Polaris company see a great opportunities. First, Polaris see a potential for growth in emerging market like India and also in China. Additionally, Polaris company and industry execution of the Indian motorcycle company offers a unique opportunity for brand revitalization. Polaris industry also acknowledge the threat that they face. The heavyweight motorcycle industry is fiercely competitive and their sales are heavily influenced by economic condition. Polaris industry are developing strategy to mitigate these threats. And in conclusion, we can say while Polaris have their strength and opportunities, they also are not ignore their weakness and threats. So we can say that Polaris are committed to continuous improvement and growth for the future and long-term journey in their company and industry. So next we go to the SWOT metric. We will be exploring a Polaris strategic positioning using the SWOT metric. This tool help us understand Polaris strength, weakness, opportunities and also their threat. Polaris strength includes a strategic planning and efficient production. We can say that Polaris can use this strength to enter a new market and revitalize the Indian motorcycle brand. By leveraging its strength, Polaris can effectively enter a new market and reinvigorate their brand. So next, we have identified a lack of clear vision and a complex organizational structure as a Polaris weakness. However, Polaris can turn this weakness into opportunities by focusing on emerging market and restructuring their organizational around the Indian motorcycle brand. Addressing its weakness, Polaris can generate a clear vision, center on expansion and improve execution by restructuring its organizational structure. Next, Polaris weakness could also amplify threat like intense competition and market volatility. By simplifying their structure and establishing a clear vision, we can say that Polaris can mitigate this threat. By addressing its weakness, Polaris can compete more effectively and navigate economic downturn to sustain profitability. Next, Polaris strategic planning and production efficiency are strengths that can help they counter their threat. By focusing on this strength, we can say that they can differentiate themselves in the market and maintain profitability during economic downturn. By matching its strength with their threat, Polaris can differentiate itself and provide a unique value proposition and also concentrate on operational efficiency to decrease their expenses. So in conclusion, through this SWOT analysis, we have gained a deeper understanding of Polaris industry strategy, positioning and potential strategy for future growth and success. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Based on the identified issues, several alternatives can be considered. Vertical integration within Polaris production department is a suitable option. It involves acquiring or integrating with suppliers of raw materials component or services. While it offers benefits like increased control over supplies, it also carries a risk such as reduced flexibility and dependence on integrated suppliers. Outsourcing the sales and marketing department to external professionals or agencies is another alternative. It allows Polaris to focus on core competencies while delegating non-core tasks. However, potential risks include communication issues and the need to prioritize data security and confidentiality. To compare with rivals like Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Honda, Polaris can consider horizontal integration. This involves acquiring or merging with competitors to achieve synergies and cost savings. Financial risk and thorough due diligence are important considerations for these options. Implementing these alternatives will address the challenges faced by Polaris and enhance its competitive position in the market. Based on the case study, it is recommended that Polaris implements a vertical integration strategy and outsources their marketing activities. These strategies aim to address the company's dependence on third parties and capitalize on its advantages. Vertical integration can leverage Polaris skills, workforce, and financial resources to enhance efficiency and reduce costs. By owning more parts of the supply chain, Polaris can also decrease outsourcing costs related to marketing. Technological advancements can further streamline operation and boost productivity. However, considering Polaris' focus on production, it may be beneficial to outsource marketing strategies. This allows the company to concentrate on core competencies and capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable transportation options. Outsourcing marketing tasks to professionals can effectively handle advertising and promotion. Other alternatives were not recommended as they may not align with Polaris objectives, be feasible or practical due to constraint or carry significant risk such as financial or legal implication. It is advisable to reject alternatives that introduce substantial uncertainty to the company's operation.
In summary, Polaris Industries faces challenges and opportunities in the power sports industry. Our analysis revealed that the company has strong brand reputation and diverse product portfolio, but it lacks a clear vision and marketing capabilities. Competitors and changing customer preferences also pose threats. To address these issues, we recommend two key actions. First, Polaris should integrate more aspects of the supply chain in-house to improve production efficiency and reduce costs. Second, they should outsource marketing activities to experts to enhance promotional efforts while focusing on their core strengths. Furthermore, Polaris should invest in electric vehicles to align with the growing demand for sustainable transportation options. This will help them stand out from competitors and tap into a rapidly expanding market. By implementing these strategies, Polaris can overcome weaknesses, seize opportunities, and tackle threats, positioning themselves for long-term success in power sports industry. In conclusion, by taking these steps, Polaris industry can address their challenges, capitalize on their strengths, and achieve sustainable growth. That's all from us. Thank you.